Kamigalaya Indigenous Tribal Constitutional Right Movement MITCROM berkentop ya kesenjuk kinong sensars nong kebriu hinyo trap SNSBH, Khasi Women Welfare and Development Association Kuada, ke North East Students Organization NISO, Khasi Students Union KSU, Federation of Khasi Jaintian Garo People FKGGP, ke hinyo trap National Youth Front HNYF, ke senglong kami bat kinong ilam na karilum Garo, haga janmi joka khat sautari unai wing arajar pusau, kalau wan ban ai mensim ban ai jing kersan ya ki samla puli ki badang bateng ke jing ki isyak tekan han North Eastern Hill University. Kini kejengnya ki isyak tekan kala sedang nadu ke santarik unai wing araja arpusau ban dawa bau Profesor Prabha Shankar Shukla udai ban syak wengkam na kakam Vice Chancellor hadien ba syamla sengap ya kejeng dawa wengkam no ya Registrar, Deputy Registrar bat ki weki officer ki belaken no thung bian dau Profesor Shukla.
Kadang kejingnya ikan hu Profesor kai bang tam dai tam ni ka jingle university ke ba kita ini samla puli kejingi kita ikinong hikai kita ikinong trai Rai kapasita me kadang ba menta kadon kani ka jing persiang ban pengkela ya karukam ai jihikai ka baki ong kata ka saffronization of education kani ka bangi i bangga kani ka sakai ba ka ba ka jing ka bangi ya kenduk menta te ka jing ki jong kini ki samla kinong hikai baki nong trai juga ni i kersan pun Rai ngakwa ban patai ka kata ka bangi declare persona non grata yung niyo. Apa declare persona non grata kamut ba kadai ka social boycott. And I want to send a message to Dr. Shukla. You have constrained us to do what we have never done in the history of our people. We have always been welcoming, especially of academicians, of technocrats and others. But you have constrained us today as an organization. You have constrained us. The Meghalaya Indigenous Tribes Constitutional Rights Movement, you have constrained us to pass a resolution to declare you persona non grata, by which there is a social boycott against you now because you have gone against the interests and the rights of our students, of our teachers, of the staff of NEHU, as well as our people. Because what you have done, the mismanagement that you have done in NEHU, now is percolating down to the colleges, especially in the colleges teaching law. And because of this, we hold you accountable to these actions. We are also sending a message to the central government that you should choose vice chancellors of NEHU, persons who have an interest in the welfare and development of this area, people who understand the ethos, people who know the needs of our tribal communities, not only in Meghalaya but in the whole of the Northeast. Kani kadai kajing ka message, kani kadai kubor ka bangi phayu, bat ikipai ba rumi ong ba kaladai kapor ba pinyami. Pinwan kersan ikini samla namar belai kaladai lasai kan dai siposngi. Mantan presiden jam kani husu ba Sandi Sotun. Samla Sandi Sotun udan borak sisngi apo klinik jam kani hu namar belai kalatrai ke penhia. Mentah pada baik itu samla wan pai biang wan chong biang kani kadika spirit jom gini kon samla ngakarpa bakinyawan pinyami ni isnong kitau ki jong pi pin wan hang ni ban ai man sei lagi pen i yung ni ubreu ba ngim dai ki ba sak jam ni ke pen i ka sarkar India ba kam dai ban perlong kani ka jaka ka tim teknyut ka jongka ba namar kata kadau ngi hapen ya teli ko ngajai pada klet nok politics klet nok kata kejing adat, klet nok kata kejing perjumut, ngin wan teli hang ni. But hang ni ru, I am requesting the government of Meghalaya, please take this issue seriously. We know that you have spoken to the Union Ministry of Education, even to the Minister of Education, but take it up seriously because now even the High Court, the Honorable Meghalaya High Court, has given you up to 20 days. It has given the NEHU administrations. From on the 20th, I think if nothing is done, this situation is not resolved, the Honorable Meghalaya High Court will have to take a suo motu call on this matter. And before it reaches that pass, before these children of ours, they suffer or serious consequences arises from this, please take the matter seriously. The CCCN, Nakarpa, Khamtam, ya ki kene ikba ngidai ban yang teli semua wan pai kini ki samla sini semua ai ka jing persan dai na ye rai mi menta bagin peni kum ka jai penreu bangin nom sacrifice nginom pensneu ya ka puli ka puthi ki jongi kham tam bakane hu ka ka school ba ka bala peni pon ki beri ki jongi ki banang ki basta ki bala ai ya ka jing trai ka bala ai ka service ya ka dika jela ka jongi ba ki bai te nomor kata kedau ni hapan ya da buram ya kene
Nakaliang ka commission papet ya ka bha kamiat ki kenthei ha ka jing alam ka kong yamon siem chairperson ru kala wan ban ai man sim ya ki sampla puli ki bla shong sha thangan la palat arspa arpho kenta
so khia long kon ki jong ni mo kenthei ba chinra te ni admire ki so burom ya ki man ta ki don ka courage of the convictions mo but kia le ya nim kwa kan keren cepat kata maka dia gini le ke jonki teman ibu rom yaki balik ke jon pakai show but kita kata resolution baki yo ek balik ben yo kama mangi pada yang iwan humanitarian ground mo kita pergi isin ai yaki kita le ke belum kamet jonki boleh lah suppose ni mentah but ni keren do but doctors boleh I think it is time that can take the decision to the doctors and do something about it. Kim la shu ban lai dan dia nak tulon. But ki kwa ban ya kun bet nei. Tamba nothing is worth their life for the health right now kan. Nei. Dia nak daw ni kerpat iki doctors who can take a decision but the government ru bahkan kit kya bai kan ni. Nomor kan kata ya ke long jinglong te jing pat jing kya jing ki. But dia jing kuliah ru jo de pang ikahi na tam ya kan ni dang ong but ki doctors so bahasi ya rai mesti they can't take the decision ya dia kena ban rai mesti sama shim ka rai naman ta ka jing dikila ban keteng yang dak kuat balong I think it is time to force feed them if we have to ngakren kum kilok kumia mo bang isin ay ki
kung pi kumiwi chapter muslim tapi ang ko no jing tho so government ba
ni ginya rai ni ada naman kidang ya ni up mo kidon kiwe ki bakam don bor ki bakam la ban gedon sur sawa tama din la yo di ko ni te ki pansi tadong ni sawan ta kasi
it's I
ni le ak bade bande
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin, bat ka ayan la aikan diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam, kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya